In this video, we will discuss all of the features within MxAsset, which is A3J Group's mobile application for equipment operations for IBM Maximo. Start by clicking on the MxAsset icon. The first thing you'll need to do when you launch the app is log into your Maximo environment. You'll start by entering your Maximo URL, Maximo username, and Maximo password. Then click the Login button. MxAsset will then take you to a list screen where you can build a list of assets to take action on. You can do this in a number of ways. The first would be to search for assets using search terms. We can use terms like description of the asset, for example, pump. We can also search for all or part of an asset number, as well as a handful of other fields that are available to search on. Another way to search is by using the scanning capability. If we hit the little barcode icon next to that, the search bar, we can actually scan for a barcode or QR code and find the asset that we're looking for. If we touch the menu button in the upper left, we'll see some other search options, such as using saved queries from Maximo. If I touch on the Save Query option, you can see a list of queries that are available here with an indicator of how many assets are in that list. If I touch on the centrifugal pump query, I'll get a list back of assets that have the word centrifugal in it. If I clear that query, it'll take me back to the normal list. Next, I have a routes option. If I click on routes, it gives me a list of routes from Maximo with indicators of how many assets are in each route. If I click on our quarterly pumps route, it'll filter the list just down to those assets on the route. You can also see that we have the ability to sort the assets by the route stop sequence when a route is selected. Thanks for watching this video on A3J Group's MxAsset from the MX Mobile suite of apps. For more information, you can go to our website at a3jgroup.com or connect with us on LinkedIn or Twitter. For inquiries, email info@a3jgroup.com or give us a call at 877-235-4774.